Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the type of the canvas on the vectoring application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the My Work option on the bottom of the screen and tap to the plus icon, and you create a new project. Then you can choose the size of the artwork, for example, Instagram profile, business card, Facebook cover, LinkedIn profile, or YouTube thumbnail, and just select one and step on it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.